Now we are at our edge bending area. We use the edge bending machine to create seamless height sealing, which keeps our cabinet waterproof and durable. Before edge bending and after edge bending, you can see our good workmanship.
And sealed wood absorbs moisture and grows mold. Full auto CNC machine seals boards seamlessly. Full seal stops water, no mold problems for your cabinets. Next, we show panel drilling.